Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1 2 Steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Grammarly on your PC. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to go to any browser you want. Here I have Chrome browser, so I'm using it. So in the search bar, you need to search for download Grammarly. And you can go to any link that connects with the download. So I'm just scrolling down and choosing the grammarlyaponic.com. So click on this, and here you can see free download. Just click on the free download and just scroll down a bit, and you can see here free download button. Just click on it. So now it says start downloading. Some browser may give false positive on automatic download. You need to download manually. So it says just you need to click on this download here, and yes, it's being downloaded in this sign. Just go to download, or just press on the Ctrl+J to go to shortcut in the download. So your Grammarly is being downloaded. So it might take some time. Just wait a while for that, and you are just ready to use Grammarly in your PC. So thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.